Why Python online compilers are a game changer for your projects. You can code anywhere, anytime, no setup required. What is a Python online compiler? Experience the freedom of coding without limits. Write, run, and debug Python code directly in your browser with no installations or setup required. Whether you're testing a quick idea, learning the ropes, or collaborating with others. Key benefits. Enjoy zero setup coding with no installations or configurations. Just open your browser and start. It works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even mobile devices, making it easy to access your code from anywhere with internet, collaborate in real time with others, share code effortlessly, and experience an environment that's perfect for beginners, students, and educators alike. Top platforms. Discover top coding platforms. Replit for real-time collaboration, Google Colab for data science, JDoodle for multi-language support, online built-in debugging, and Programiz for beginner-friendly learning. Use cases. Streamline your workflow with interactive, setup-free learning that's perfect for education. Quickly prototype and test code snippets. Collaborate effortlessly with remote teams and conduct coding interviews in shared, real-time environments. Limitations to consider. While online coding platforms offer convenience, they may run slower with resource-heavy tasks. Since code executes on external servers, it's important to handle sensitive data with care. Customization options are often limited, and some external libraries might not be supported, so keep these factors in mind when choosing your coding environment. Best practices. When selecting a coding platform, make sure it aligns with your project's specific requirements. Regularly back up your code to prevent accidental data loss, and leverage version control systems like GitHub for better tracking and collaboration. To stay within platform limits, optimize your code for performance and efficiency. Additionally, take security seriously. Avoid uploading sensitive or private information to ensure your work remains protected. Python 3.13 highlights. Enjoy enhanced multi-line editing with an interactive interpreter, experimental multi-threading support to disable the GIL, and optional JAT compilation for faster performance. Python and AI and ML. Scikit-learn simplifies machine learning tasks with easy-to-use algorithms, while NLTK and Spatie provide powerful tools for natural language processing. TensorFlow and PyTorch are the leading frameworks for deep learning, and OpenCV is essential for tackling computer vision applications. Conclusion. Empower your projects by leveraging online compilers for greater flexibility and speed, and stay ahead by embracing tools that boost collaboration and learning. Get started today with platforms like Replit and Google Colab, and unlock a world of coding possibilities. Python online compilers are fast, flexible, and perfect for modern development. Start using them today with Sapphire Software Solutions, and take your projects to the next level. Sapphire Software Solutions, your partner in digital innovation.